Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray, and welcome to day 12 of our 12 days of giveaway.
The Sarah Cray? Oh my gosh, in person?
Not in person, in video.
In video?
Sure, in person.
That's right.
Okay, I'm actually really sad this is our last day. It's been so fun introducing you guys to these small businesses that I've kind of grown to know and support over the years. I'm thrilled to see comments that you guys are, you just placed an order, or thank you so much for introducing, or what a cool item. Like, it's fantastic because, as Michael and I know, running a small business is no joke. It is no joke.
Yeah.
It is truly a labor of love and passion. You have to wear so many different hats. You have to balance so many different things. And so anything that we can do to show up for these other small businesses, to show support, to make people aware, and to introduce you guys to them, it just makes it all worth it. So thank you for allowing us to do that. It has been fantastic. For our 12th gift, the very last day, we wanted to do something very special. And if you guys have been keeping up with what Let's Make Art has going on, you'll know that we have a watercolor workshop coming up in April. It's our first ever Let's Make Art workshop. It is a weekend retreat. It is going to be so fantastic. It's going to be in Hamilton, Missouri. And how it worked is essentially we opened up applications and we did a raffle for people who applied. You guys have already been notified. But I will say that there was one individual that we were very heartbroken their name wasn't chosen for the raffle. So we decided to break the rules a little bit when it came to this 12-day giveaway. And we decided to kind of only draw from a hat that only had their name in it. So the winner of this prize will receive the ticket to go to the Watercolor Workshop weekend for Let's Make Art, the last weekend in April in Hamilton, Missouri. And the winner for that is...
You announce it.
Marcy Clark.
Yay!
And I just have to say, Marcy, thank you for being here. The group loves you. We love you. You are, you're so great. We appreciate your support so much. We couldn't think of anyone who, you had to be there. You have,
Yeah.
God, if you weren't there, come on. So we are thrilled to give this to you, to offer this to you. We cannot wait to meet you in April. And for everybody watching and following along and being a part of these small businesses and being a part of the Let's Make Art community, thank you so much. We wouldn't be here without you, literally. So we hope you have a fabulous holiday, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.